Question 14. So first of all, it's a probability tree diagram. There's one thing that I can just do straight away without even thinking is knowing the other branch here. So these two branches always add up to 1. So 1 take away 0.6 is 0.4. Okay, so I've got 1 mark just for doing that, and I haven't even read the question. So let's actually now have a look. Right. A and B are independent events. That just means that if one happens, the other doesn't have to happen. Okay, anything could happen the next time. It says the probability of event A occurring is 0.6. So we figured out that the probability that it does not occur is 0.4. The probability of event A and, notice that's in bold, event B occurring is 0.48. Complete the tree diagram. Now, this is the common mistake that people make, is they would read that and they go, oh, that's 0.48 there because that's the other probability. But you've got to read the question. This piece of information is key to figuring out what probability goes by here. It says the two events happening make 0.48. So event A happening and event B happening actually gives us the answer of 0.48. 0.48 doesn't go here, okay? So this word and, remember, in probability means to times. So what I've actually got is 0.6 times something makes 0.48. So if I write it down, we can visualise 0.6 times something is 0.48. Now, I like to imagine that the zeros aren't there. 6 times something is 48, which is 8. So this number here has to be 0.8. So the probability of event B happening is 0.8. So the probability of it not happening is 0.2. This one here is exactly the same as the top one. So this is 0.8 and this is also 0.2. Make sure you really read the question carefully because you don't get anything. Even if you make sure your two branches add up to 1 here, they won't give you any marks if you've just put 0.48 there. Okay? Right, the last part. Calculate the probability of neither event happening. So neither event A nor event B happening. So that means we're following this path here. So A doesn't happen and B doesn't happen. So again, we've got that word and, so we're going to times these two probabilities. 0.4 times 0.2, well, 4 times 2 is 8. And what I've got, and this is how I always do it, there's 1, 2 numbers after the decimal point in the question. So there have to be 2 numbers after the decimal in the answer. So the answer is 0.08.